Hi guys, how are you doing? I just want to show you a few things about my sculptures and plastic. I made my sculpture with, so this is one of examples. Yes, the point is to show you that this material is really pretty light, but it's durable. It's quite strong material. As example, I just will show you a few interesting things. As you can see, these horns, they can be considered like pretty thin and brokeable, right? Easily, but it's don't. I did a few tests. It's just my personal test. I tested temperature on which this sculpture can print better, and as example, I can show you these horns, how easily it can be broken actually. I hope you can see it on the video. It's quite strong and a little flexible material, right? It has some flexibility, and so it's the same like it's a black. I printed one ball in black color. So of course everything can be broken on purpose, everything, even if it's still made of metal, right? Let's try to do it. I hope I will not cut my fingers. Okay, let's try to break one of horn. You can do it, but you see it's not easy, right? So it cannot be broken by itself. Another thing, it was full 3D printing, but I left it on purpose to show you another on another part. This example, right? And so it's much smaller. This model was smaller, and just I don't remember what exactly happened, but anyway, I stopped with this 3D print. You can see this base is much more thinner, and it's not too easy to break, right? Let's do it. No, I cannot do it. So, another example. And so, by the way, this is a filament. I 3D printing sculptures. It's a basic PLA filament. It's Hedgebox brand, but I also using different brands. Sometimes for one sculptures, one brands works better for another one, another brands for bronze color sculptures. I usually use Hedgebox. It's worked pretty well. For white sculptures, sometimes I use different brands. Yeah, but so this is called filament. If you're not knowledgeable with 3D printing, so just 3D printer melt this thread of plastic and build up 3D printed models, and then a lot of cleaning after 3D print. Okay, and I got a few questions from my buyers of male torso sculpture. They asked about weight of sculpture. So this material is weight really it's I think it's a great thing, because you know, I do not sell material, I sell sculptures. But what I want to show you, this is a base. Also, there was some failed print. This is a base from male sculptor, and how it looks inside. This thing's called Infill. This pattern of Infill is pretty strong. Probably it's the strongest pattern which available in 3D printing, and it's pretty light. The whole sculpture, if it's just 3D printed with Infill, without sand. Some sculptures I offering with poured with sand to give them more weight, but most of them I just 3D print with Infill, and it's about 10-12 Oz by imperial system, and about 300 grams. I will not show in this video the sculpture, I not prepared, but so despite the fact it's light material, what is the point? I want to show you how durable it is. It's unbreakable. You definitely cannot break it. I will not even try it. No, it's some hammer. Even if it will fall on some concrete, right, and it will not be broken. And for example, I understand that some of buyers expect if it's sculpture, it should be made of plaster, of bronze, some metal which is heavy, right? And this is what we use it to think about. Sculpture is usually heavy, but if plaster sculpture will fall down, you know what will happen. And with this sculptures, they will not be broken, even if they will fall down on falling, or I don't know, they can easily withstand some small impacts, like careless handling or something like that. Of course, consider this like a art, it's not a toys for a child, definitely not. It's not a toys. But I paint the sculptures with acrylic paint. Sometimes it's glossy, sometimes it's matte paint, and it looks like it's made of plaster, but it's much more detailed. I hope you can see it. I hope. And every my sculptor have logo. You make sure that it's my sculpture. And another interesting thing about durability, for example, this one, horse sculpture. As you can see, it's stay only on legs, and it looks not strong enough, not very durable, right? And this sculpture was staying on my desktop, on my table, about 2 or 3 years. I do not remember exactly when I did the sculpture, at least 2 years, and nothing happened to this. But one thing. This is a renewed design. So after created this sculpture, I realized that it can be a problem, especially if you can see it, you just on the screen of your laptop, right? You don't know how strong it is. It can be broken. It can be broken in shipping. It's also sometimes may happen. So I know. And so I redesigned it. I created this option. So not option. I just made it more strong. You can see it's connected to grass. Tail connected to grass, and it's made sculpture much more durable, much more stronger. But anyway, the point in this message that even this sculpture, if you use it like a sculpture as it should be, it staying on my table 2-3 years already. And so I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any question, just ask me. Maybe we'll have to talk about